Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for affordable agricultural land in the United States with excellent long-term potential, then today's property might be exactly what you're looking for.
Today, we're taking a closer look at a beautiful 41-acre parcel of agricultural land located near the small community of Strafford, Missouri, just a short drive from the city of Springfield. This property combines the peace and freedom of rural America with the convenience of being close to a growing metropolitan area.
Let's talk about location first, because location is one of the most important factors in any real estate investment. Strafford is a quiet, rural town located in Greene County,
Missouri. It's surrounded by open farmland, rolling countryside, and a strong agricultural community. At the same time, Springfield is only about 20 minutes away, giving you quick access to hospitals, schools, shopping centers, restaurants, and major transportation routes. For many buyers, finding a property that offers both privacy and accessibility is difficult, but this land provides exactly that balance. You can enjoy the open space and peaceful environment of the countryside, while still remaining close to everything you need. Now let's discuss the property itself. This offering includes a total of 41 acres of usable land. Whether you're interested in row crops, hay production, livestock grazing, recreational use, or simply holding land as an investment, this property offers flexibility and opportunity.
one of the reasons farmland continues to attract investors across the United States is because land is a limited resource. Unlike houses and commercial buildings, more land cannot be created. As population growth continues and development expands outward from major cities, quality agricultural land often becomes increasingly valuable over time. The asking price for this property is $19,000 per acre. For buyers looking to enter the agricultural real estate market, this represents an opportunity to own a significant piece of land in a desirable region of Missouri. Imagine the possibilities. You could establish a small farming operation, raise livestock, create a family retreat, build a custom home, or simply hold the property as a long-term investment. The choice is yours. Missouri has long been recognized as one of America's strongest agricultural states. The region benefits from productive soil, a favorable climate, and a well-established operation system. Farming economy. These factors continue to attract both local and out-of-state buyers who are searching for reliable land investments. Another advantage of this property is its proximity to Springfield. Springfield continues to experience economic growth, attracting new residents and businesses every year. As nearby communities expand, land located within driving distance of the city often becomes increasingly desirable. Many experienced investors understand that purchasing land near growing cities can be a smart strategy. While investment is guaranteed, properties located in expanding regions often benefit from increasing demand over time. This 41-acre property offers not only current agricultural value, but also potential future opportunities. Buyers who think long-term often look for exactly this type of asset. Land with practical use today and promising possibilities tomorrow. If you're someone who values open space, independence, and ownership of a real, tangible asset, farmland can be an attractive addition to your portfolio. Unlike many other investments, land provides something you can actually see, use, and improve. Picture yourself standing on your own 41 acres, surrounded by wide-open views and fresh country air. Whether your goal is farming, ranching, recreation, development, or simply preserving wealth through land ownership, this property provides the foundation for those dreams. Properties of this size and location do not become available every day. Opportunities near growing cities like Springfield often receive strong interest from buyers who understand the value of quality agricultural land.
Properties of this size and location do not become available every day. Opportunities near growing cities like Springfield often receive strong interest from buyers who understand the value of quality agricultural land. If this property sounds like something that could fit your goals, now is the time to learn more. Contact us for additional information, property details, maps, and properties of this size and location do not become available every day. Opportunities near growing cities like Springfield often receive strong interest from buyers who understand the value of quality agricultural land. We'd be happy to answer your questions and help you explore whether this land is the right fit for you. Thank you for watching today's property presentation. If you enjoy discovering agricultural land, investment opportunities, ranch properties, and affordable real estate across the United States, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone who may be interested in owning land in America. We'll continue bringing you some of the best land opportunities available across the country. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next property tour.